this quick tutorial, I will show you how to unarchive chat on Telegram. So let's go. But before we dive into this tutorial, find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Telegram tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to simply unarchive chat in Telegram. The first thing you need to do is to open up your Telegram account. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on Archive Chat. Then for you to unarchive any chat, what you need to do is to simply drag the chat this way. Then it's as simple as that. So if you still want to unarchive anyone, simply this way and swipe and click on unarchive. It's as simple as that. So this is how to unarchive chat on Telegram, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Telegram tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.